Hello everyone, welcome to the Scottsdale Public Art Tour. Today on this walking tour, you will see a mix of public art, beautiful landscapes, and interesting sights from around the Old Town Scottsdale area. This love sculpture has become a symbol for peace. It is a favorite spot for taking pictures with the one you love. With more than 70 beautiful public artworks, it's difficult to show everything in this video. This town has always been among the most livable and unique urban downtown centers in the American Southwest. Old Town's pedestrian-friendly streets are home to world-class art galleries, museums, restaurants, clubs, and retail shops. This is called The Doors. It is made of 3 28-foot tall mirrored panels. When you stand inside it, you feel like you're inside a kaleidoscope. This bridge demonstrates the importance of solar movement and features 2 steel-clad, 64-foot high pylons that create a shaft of light. This beautiful river walk runs through Scottsdale and is called the Arizona Canal. There are many ways to enjoy this canal. You can walk, hike, bike, and rollerblade. This life-size bronze depicts a vintage Pony Express rider and a contemporary half-nip Pony Express rider handing off the mail to show the Old West meeting the New West in Old Town Scottsdale. This is called Diamond Blue. It is made of brass panels, glass fins, and colored lights that are strategically placed to produce luminous colors both night and day, reflecting the sparkling energy of life in the West. We are now passing the Old Town Scottsdale Farmers Market. There are many vendors here with an amazing selection of produce, beef, cheese, honey, and so much more. Old Town is located about 15 minutes away by car from Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport. Scottsdale is a city in the eastern part of Maricopa County, Arizona, and is part of the Phoenix metropolitan area. It was named Scottsdale in 1894 after its founder, Winfield Scott, a retired U.S. Army chaplain. Over the last 2 decades, it has been one of the fastest growing cities in the United States. This sculpture is called When Friends Meet. This amazing bronze statue of a Native American holding a peace pipe is called the Greeter. The bronze sculpture sitting on the bench is of Albert Einstein. Cavaliere's blacksmith shop is still in operation today, and they say that it looks a lot like it did when it opened back in 1909. This sculpture is based upon a vintage photo of Winfield and Helen Scott, the founders of Scottsdale. This bronze sculpture is called Mother and Child. It was cast in a Mexican foundry in 1960. This wonderful monument to wild horses has become an icon of free spirit in the American West and depicts 3 bronze yearlings galloping in full stride. Old Town is a vibrant spot year-round and is home to dozens of galleries selling local art and works by international renowned artists. This is an Indian banyan tree. This specimen was planted in September 1996 from a 24-inch box container. I hope that you have enjoyed this walking tour.